Davidson Station. Doors will open on the right. Next station is Eglinton Station.
Beautiful views. Very nice.
Kaya pala sabi niya, kumusta?
Sorry guys, thank you. Thank you. All right, everybody left the train. Nice and empty now. Beautiful. Oh, look at you. What are you doing here?
Riding the subway.
Riding a subway? Where are you going?
Subway.
Are you going home from work?
I'm going, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm going
Is this
to
your
work
work attire?
Yeah, it's Friday.
Friday work attire?
Yeah.
Beautiful. The subway's been slow.
It's been slow.
Yeah, it's been
Really?
slow. Yeah, I've been bored without it.
Oh.
It's been packed. Yeah, it's been packed. I
Yeah?
can't, I couldn't walk up and down or anything.
Oh, yeah.
How's this place? Construction forever. I like that. There's construction here too?
Forever.
I like that. Construction forever. Yeah, construction forever. All right. Where are we heading?
North York.
Hmm?
North York.
North York?
Yes.
All the way to Finch?
No, to North York.
North York. All right. All right, we're gonna check out some of the stations. Do you wanna? All right, not much going on here. You can't walk anywhere. This is line 1 of subway going north here with Mission.
Arriving
Oh yeah.
Lawrence Station. Doors will open on the left.
All right, Lawrence. All right, Lawrence Station. Let's check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Line 1, North Finch.
Beautiful. All clear. We're in. Lawrence Station. Still got Maple Leaf fans over there wearing their jerseys. Probably is another game here tonight. I'm not sure. We photographed the game the other day downtown. Wow. It's not bad. All right.
Arriving at York Mills.
York Mills.
York Mills Station.
Wow, look at the colors on this
Open
place.
on the left.
I like these colors. Turquoise. Very, I would say 1950s. Let's check it out. Beautiful. Oh, you're still here.
I thought you left.
I came back. Nowhere else to go.
Yeah.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Staying clear off the doors. Let's do this. Check out this leaving York Mills. Beautiful. Check it out.
Shepherd Young.
Shepherd and Young, next one. All right. Catch you in the next one.
Shepherd Young Station. Change here for line 4. Doors will open on the left.
Wow, let's check out this place. I think it's more of a modern station, is it? Probably. Check it out, let's go. Beautiful. Everybody's getting off here, huh? All right, back in here. Oh, you can come here.
Please stand clear of the doors.
One of these days, I'm just gonna get left behind. He's like, hey, wait for me. I'm gonna be totally lost. This is like a train station. Stations. I hardly get up this far north, so I might as well check out the station. Make sure they're all
Next station.
still in good conditions. Beautiful.
North York Center.
North York Center. Next one. North York Center. Here we come. Ooh.
North York Center.
North York Center.
Station.
Are we getting off here?
Open on the right.
We're getting off here? Dude, there's no platform here. How do we get up? Dude, I don't think we can. What? We're on the wrong guys.
Hello?
It's on this side, man. Woohoo. All right.
We are exiting the subway.
We are exiting the subway.
Where are you?
There you go.
Line 1.
Beautiful. So here we are at North York subway. Where is our friend?
No, North York.
Uh-oh.
We're at North York.
Where is he?
Where are you?
The Blue Jays are back. They got some advertising. And the ceilings
Yeah, that's
are
where we're going.
very artistic. All right, we're gonna catch this train leaving, and then we're gonna end the film here.
We're just out, like we're at Malak Square now. Like we're just going up.
Beautiful. Hey guys, check this out. What a beautiful artwork here. With the horses and everything. It's beautiful. All right. This is a pretty cool mosaic artwork. I like it.
What do you want us to do?
Thank you for watching. We're gonna catch you in the next film. All right. Oh my God, I think we lost our friend. All right, let's go upstairs.
What's your question?
What's the question?
I'm not understanding. I don't know what's going on.
Come in. Steve, come in. Come in. Let's just exit here. Let's not loiter around in the subway too long. What a beautiful day.
Where are you?
We're going to Melasma Square and checking out. We haven't been there for a while. See what's going on here. My God. And now
We're not far from Malak Square.
beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to catch you in the next one.